we had to pause work on the roof. There is a windstorm, but all of our trees are beetle-kill, so we just heard a crack in this tree. And every time the wind blows, look at that. So it's about to go. Can't really cut it down, right? Because it's just so windy, you wouldn't know where. Oh, he's a good River, come here. Come on, River, come here. Come here, boys. It's twisting. Because it's going to land on our new roofing, right?
Something we don't want to take.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad I heard it and got you off the roof.
Right where we wanted it. This thing's rotten in the middle. Yeah.
So look how rotten that was, hey?
The heart of this was rotten. You can move it with your fingers.
I can actually, it just feels hollow.
Yeah. Yeah.
You did a great job. It went right in between everything and missed our new roofing.
At the end of the stump or the tree.
Oh, geez, look at that.
Yep.